Some tips today I show you how to buy a eSim that will work in Serbia. The link and coupon will be in the description. Open description and click on link eSim and open this new page voyfly.com. Alright, and click on Serbia. Open and scroll down and choose a fixed data plan. Select 7, 2 weeks, 30 days or 30 days. Select 30 days 20 gigabytes and scroll down and click on buy it now. Alright, and discount code and write ROAM tips. Click on apply. Order discount ROAM tips $6.40. This is very good. And click on Google Pay and buy eSim or write email, payment and billing address and click on buy now and open new page and buy eSim and send your email address, QR code and activation instruction. And that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.